This is the Hardell engraving pen, and yes, it's the same size as your everyday pen, just way more powerful. With a 37,000 RPM motor, this compact engraver packs some serious speed. It runs smooth, stays cool, and feels natural in your hand, just like a pen. You can engrave on 60 plus surfaces. So for example, we have metal, wood, glass, leather, and more. You can personalize your stuff or just create custom fun gifts for people. Let's go ahead and test it out. The big reveal. Let's take this off and see. I guess we could like do this to get any residue off, but hey, I mean, that's not that bad. It could have been worse. And you can barely feel the engraving except for some of them where I definitely messed up, but I think that's pretty cool. I mean, it could have definitely been better, but you can totally tell what that is. Oh, wait, I just realized, wait, the laptop opens this way. So, oh, it's upside down. Oh, I should have, well. So the kit comes with these stencils, and I am trying my, not the best. I'm not even trying my best, really. I'm just putting it down and going at it for the very first time. So we're doing this for the first time together, and you can see after it's complete, it is not bad. I've never done anything like this before, so you can see how easy it is to add some pretty clean detail even for a beginner. And the result, I think, looks really good. Straight from a pen-sized tool you can carry anywhere or store easily. Like I said before, you get the stencils, extra bits, a 1200 milliamp hour battery, USB charging, so everything you need to get this started right away. It's compact, powerful, creative. It's the Hardell engraving pen. The link's in the description below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more fun stuff I pick up. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.